Okay, here's a follow-up video of the Powerhorse inverter generator. I've used this for a multiple amount of days on the racetrack for my tire warmers. It also runs a hot plate at the same time, which is probably peaking out its maximum, but still yet I can brew my espresso, which is nice. But all I've done is checked my oil and open up my vent over here to the on for the fuel. I've treated this with Startron, my fuel, and of course I always run premium like I do in my bike, so you're less likely to have bad gas. I also ran some Sunoco race fuel in it, but just 91 still yet, so it's truly gas. But what I'm going to do is try to do a cold start on it here towards the end of January. And so I've had this not quite a year, but I've put quite a few hours on it. So I'm going to turn this over to the choke mode on it. Make sure it's fully turned over there. It might take a few pulls on it to get it going, and making sure that I have the eco mode off. So the camera might get a little shaky here, but we're just going to try to situate it so I can pull start in here. I did a cold start on it in December, and I ended up cleaning my spark plug a little bit then. Needs a little bit more of a choke. There you have it. Burning nice and clean. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on the eco mode. Get it idling right down. There you have it, people. It's running good. She's got several days of operation on it. I'm pretty happy with it. So there's your follow-up video.